Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. It's a 2024 sterling silver Mitsubishi Mirage GT. As you may or may not know, Mitsubishi is canceling the production for Canada in 2024. So that's it. While quantities last, so to speak, we're getting our last Mirages. We'll still have a good selection on the lot and fair amount of coming in, so hurry in here at Tri-City Mitsubishi so you can check out yours, test drive yours. We have this sterling silver. We also have this graphite gray. It's also a 2024 GT. We have ES white. We have a few more storage unit, and we also have a few more coming in. So this one right here is a used. We can tell it by hubcaps and different headlight design, so we can see kind of how Mitsubishi has progressed, you know, when they designed the Mitsubishis. Look how headlights looked on that, and now the way it looks on this. So this one here, let's pay attention to what we have. It's a GT trim level. We have top of the line, fully loaded. We have nice aluminum wheels. People always are interested in size of them and the looks of them. So these are 15-inch aluminum wheels, and they look really sharp. I gotta say, they're good looking wheels. So we have nice rotors in the front, and we have drum brakes in the back. So good old drum brakes, good for lower maintenance costs and still very efficient. It is a smaller vehicle, so we don't need these massive big brakes. It's not a sports car, it's a commuter car that gives you fantastic fuel economy, has 3-cylinder engine, and this car is pretty cool. So it's almost like, I'd say, cult-like status. There's a lot of people who absolutely love it, and I've seen quite a few people come here to buy one before they're gone. So this is your last opportunity to get a Mirage. Again, 2024 is going to be the last model year for them, so come on in, hurry in. So I really like the Mirage and I really like the GT. It comes very sporty from the factory. If we can see how the rear bumper is shaped, and we have spoiler and the way the tail lights are together with these wheels, nice horizontal sidelines on the side design, and the front that gives up you know, the Mitsubishi identity with this dynamic shield chrome design. Looks really good. Overall, this vehicle just works, and it's a very good vehicle and extremely good equipped, I gotta say. So we'll check out those features here. So this is how the key looks, and we have this keyless entry knob or button right here, so we can just press this button and that unlocks the door for us and opens up the view for this nice interior. When I see this interior, first thing that jumps in my mind is Mini Cooper has this fun cloth seat interiors, and also Volkswagen Golf has also this type of interior. It's cloth, but it's a fun looking cloth. And this one has white stitching right here, and it also looks really cool. The vehicle is not boring, that's for sure. So it's a good car and fun car to drive as well. Let's start it. So on the left hand side, we have the start and stop button. It starts just like Porsche would. So we started it, and let's check it out. Okay, we started the vehicle, and this is how we're looking. This is how the steering wheel is. It's a big steering wheel for this size of vehicle. It's the same steering wheel, pretty sure, that we can find on other cars like Eclipse Cross and RVR. But size-wise, this just strikes as a big steering wheel for this vehicle. But I like it. You have the feeling that you're driving a solid, good car. And overall, no matter where you look, it's awesome. You have auto headlights. You have rain-sensing wipers. You have backup camera here for your safety. You have all plugins, heated seats. You have CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have all those things that you might need on a little car like that. And of course, you have AC. You have this climate control setting. You have a full 4 power windows. Locks and unlocks are power. Like, everything is there that you might need. Even the mirrors you can adjust right here with this power button right here. Safety wise, very safe vehicle. We have 7 airbags, including the knee airbag right there, just in case you might get into collision. Then we have traction control, lane keep assist, and forward collision mitigation system. So very safe, very nice equipped vehicle. Also important, we have armrest. Not all small cars have armrest, and armrest is something very important to have for a little bit longer trips and even shorter trips. If you're a person that's used to armrests, You'll appreciate that. You'll like it. CVT transmission, we have it there. We're ready to go. So I really like the details on this GT as well, because you have this nice steering wheel with this piano gloss. You have these chrome elements around here, and the same thing on the dash. Around these dials you have chrome, and you know, here on center console you have this satin looking thing right here, and this piano gloss right there. And overall, no matter where you look, this vehicle, same thing here around the shifter, it just looks nice and fun, and you have a feeling that you're driving a really cool car. Also, lots of headroom. I'm 6'2" and I still have lots of headroom left. So on my channel I made a video on it's called titled Mitsubishi's for tall people, so you can check that out. I'm comparing how people feel in Mitsubishi versus all the other Mitsubishi Mirage versus all the other Mitsubishis, so you can check that video and see for yourself. Have a quick peek in the second row. So this is how we're looking. Oh, gotta unlock it. There we go. By the way, I really like this carbon fiber kind of looks on the door panel. That looks really cool. Second row, same theme we have here on the second row. We have this nice cloth design that you have. This like little bit unique stitching. So there we go. I really like this car. Great vehicle. And again, 2024 is the last model year. So come on in, hurry in while quantities last. Don't wait. They won't last that long. Don't get too many. So again, thank you so much for checking out this video, and see you next time around.